was actually standing at the gate in the rain about 4 years ago, and the trainer was working the gate with me in the morning and asked if I wanted to come down to the kennels. I never really thought about it before, but as soon as I started decoying, started helping out, I completely fell in love with it, and I applied for Canine, and I've been doing it ever since. You always know you're gonna have fun, like no matter what. Like it's -10 sometimes at night, or at least it feels like it. And my hands are frozen, my face is frozen. I'm walking around buildings, checking stuff out, backing up other patrols, pulling people over, and I'm still happy because I'm with the dog.